So, hey guys, then thought that I would be making the second part today itself because, yeah, but couldn't do anything. So, as you can see, like, wiped off all of my monthly gains, but before you get the wrong idea of like the risk to reward was not good or whatever it is, because 40K I was almost up by 2% for the month. But yeah, you need to also see the other picture. So, basically, for the first week, I was up by 20K. Second week, there was a booked profit of 20K, and then you know, which I had explained it earlier, and there was a gross loss as well. So I have to take a hit of 1% on the second trade for the week, right? Which was supposed to be a big quantity. So days like these, wherein brutal expiry, I just didn't know could what one could have probably done, especially if you're a positional player on a higher time frame. Just look at this kind of momentum. Yeah, it sucks pretty bad. So couldn't say much, anything more. Post this breakout, I thought that it would sustain, but then it's straight up went continuously falling down. And gladly, I did exit at the right time because that was my motive, as I mentioned. Like if this breaks down, and that would be my point of accepting my sell. Otherwise, I would have probably ended up in this. Another 73 points of candle, going in the money of 400p, which I had aggressively shifted above, would have probably ended up with another 1% negative. So down the line, it would have been minus 1% for the month from plus 1.5 percentage. But yeah, had to accept what went wrong, and as of now, it's basically almost the month end, and we are at on cost now. There's a particular potential which I still took. I just have to follow the process and um, couldn't say much anything more about it. So I would define it as a WTF moment. And now, what is particularly that kind of a trade? Let me just show you when these are like pretty much indecisive sort of candles in the markets wherein there is no particular strength in any of the directions, and probably a few days would be required for the people to push in in a particular direction. So if you could see, we had taken a straight up resistance from here, right? Because post breaking this out, it went up, couldn't sustain, it took a breakdown and came back up to this point again. So it's still holding up to this in a smaller time frame of 1 hour into this particular area, right? And the same for Bank Nifty if you look at it, and this is the 4 hours time frame, okay, in the Bank Nifty, and it is like gone up and it's trying to hold up to this position. Now, honestly, we have to see for tomorrow's day close how it's gonna be. It's either going to be a pretty flat, wherein Bank Nifty helps, and Nifty could probably stay within this range. And this is basically the extremes ranges which I've sold. And if I have to show you in this position, it's basically 19,200, 19,600, and the hedges which I have bought. So this position is just up by 873, and I don't know how much I'll be able to book on the net side, but let's see. This is what I'm hoping, that the markets would be within this range in the next up like within this 1.2 percentage or 3 percentage range up until next expiry. So I try my best to get out up till Wednesday or Tuesday end, trying to take at least only 1.2 percentage or something, because yeah, won't can't risk much more. It's just that it's pretty exhaustive, that how it basically goes, going positive to negative for the time run, putting in efforts, but that's the part of the deal doing this business. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And when it comes to swings, let me just see, pretty much on cost, I believe. Yeah, it's basically nullifying each other. 3 3 1 1, or yeah. So this thing, if you just calculate, I don't exactly don't know, but not much gains in here. Don't have the energy to calculate it on a calculator as of now, but yep, that's pretty much it as of now. And the last part of this video would basically be the final PNL update, wherein I'll be showing you what happened to this particular trade, and then also the swings, how it has been done so far. So far, for the month, I believe only cash has given me some positive returns, and I'm trying my best to close this month up at least by 2% all FNO and this combined. I honestly don't know how much out of it would be achieved, but yeah, that's the process which I would be following. So what's the risk to reward for this particular trade is that 30,000 is what I'm aiming for, 30 to 25,000, anywhere in between that, and I wouldn't lose more than 1%, which is basically 16 to 15,000, close to 1%, right, of 18 lakhs capital. So yep, that's pretty much it. And until next time, take care, stay safe, happy trading. Goodbye.